Hello guys, welcome to another class of Viday. So this is brought to you in by Viday Exams Possibility. So Exams Viday is a non-profit initiative by the students of AAA and Kanchipur. So today we are going to see the easiest topic of that is water and mirror images. So what are we going to learn in this chapter? So we'll see what is images, what are the difference between water image and a mirror image, then what is water image, what is mirror image, and we'll see some example questions asked in competitor examinations. So these are the main content. So what is this images? So when we think about images, you see yourself. Okay, drawing is not so good. So when you see in front of a mirror yourself, this is called as image. So you see yourself. So image, as the name signifies, we have to find the correct reflection of the given figures of the question. So here images are nothing but we have to find the correct reflection. So what is reflection? You might have learned in your younger classes that reflection is nothing but suppose you stand in front of a mirror. In the mirror, when a light falls back, it again bounces back. So this angle is equals to theta. It will be theta. So angle I will be theta, and R will be theta. So this is the basic law of reflection. So based on this law of reflection, we can try to see what are the different types of reflection that happens. So you must have seen this, right? Everyone will see in the car mirror and whatever they want. And yeah, this is our Taj Mahal, and you see in water also, Taj Mahal is completely reflected. So this is the reflection. This is the original Taj Mahal. Right? So what is the difference between water image and mirror image? So both are showing images. So what is the difference? So in reasoning, particularly for NTSC exam and MMS exam, so in the reasoning part, we have a change. So first one is called water image, second one is mirror image. So I'll just give you an example of a question that came. So they have asked us to find the mirror image for this number and water image for this one. So how do we find it out? So that is the main question that we have to answer. So we'll see. We'll solve these questions later. So this is a type of question that was asked in exam. So we'll try to see how to solve this. Coming to water images. Have you seen cartoons? In cartoons, you'll be seeing people are seeing down from the water. So this is our surface. Similarly, here, these guys are after school. They have seen a puddle, and this is the plane taking this as the plane. This image is shown here. Right? So similarly, here also, this girl's image taking this as the surface is shown. So from this you might have gotten basic understanding of what is this mirroring water image. Water image is nothing but, so you take a stick figure, okay. Then the surface is always down. Suppose I take a face, the mirror here, what will it look like? This smile will reverse. How will it reverse? So I will draw something. Let me know whether that is correct or wrong. Correct. You can put your whatever I drew. This one, is it correct or not? Put it in the comments below. So water images. So what will happen is this is the reflection plane. Nothing but when you see your face in the water, suppose you smile, you will look as if you are smiling only. But with your eyes, whenever you see it, will look as smiling only. So same thing only. So it occurs with letters also, right? So basically in the exams they'll ask with letters or figures. So the mirror plane is there below your whatever question they have asked. So for 0 it is 0. So when you see 8 is always 8, right? So 1 will change. 2 will be like this, 3, 4, 5. You see all this. You'll be able to understand. Now, this is the basic thing, right? You are able to. So similarly, we have for alphabets also. You see, O is always same, E is always same, E is always same, E is always same, H is always same, I is always same, X is always same. Right? So what does this mean? So in our exams, you will be they can ask you a question such thing like something like which alphabet. Even when we see the water image, it's the same. So you can just context of this. Or suppose they ask like numbers. So you can think of this. Right? So this is water image. The surface is the mirror is below the whatever text. So I put 0, 1, 2, 3. What will happen is the same thing, right? Now let's go to mirror image. So mirror image nothing but this is from our olden days we have mirror images, right? So you see yourself in the mirror. The baby is smiling, seeing that it is seeing itself. And the old man is seeing him mirror, broken piece of mirror. This is what is called mirror image. So in mirror image, you have the mirror towards the right of you. So now what will happen? RHS will turn to LHS. LHS will turn to RHS. But the top and bottom remain same. But whereas in water image, bottom and top will change. LHS and the RHS will remain constant. Image. So you also have numbers. So 1 is like this, 2, 3. So what will happen to 0? Mirror image of 0. Same thing. No difference. And so what will happen to alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So what alphabets have the mirror image same as the original image? You see here A, H, I, M, P, U, V, W, Y. You see here everything looks same. So the basic thing is top remains top, bottom remains bottom. RHS changes to LHS, LHS changes to RHS. So when we have suppose, so basic crux is mirror image LHS, left hand side changes to right hand side. Right hand side changes to left hand side. We take water image. Bottom becomes top. Top becomes bottom. This is the basic crux. So you remember this, you can solve any question. Fine. So we'll try to solve some questions here. So this is from previous year paper. So they have asked mirror image of 27 whatever. We'll write 27 247,593. Let's put a mirror here. What will happen? 3 9 5 7 4 and how it looks. So, C option, right? So you'll be able to see this 9 and 9. So 9 will become a 9 like that only when it is a mirror image, water image. So I have given it wrong. So C is the right answer. Fine. We'll go to the next question. This is a correct water image from the given 4 images. They asked this one. So we'll write here U 4 P 1 3 P 7. So for water image, top becomes bottom. This two gets interchanged, right? We'll try to do the same. U 4 E 1 you see here, okay, we are able to see. So what we can do is we can just check the first four numbers and you can put a tick. Now you see here, as you see here, you will be able to find that these two are same. So you can't just put a tick as soon as that. You will not know which one is the right answer. So wait until that, okay? Do for everything. So this is where it's a very scoring thing, but you will lose marks here. So then it's 5. Okay. So what have they did is, you see here, B and B. So the difference comes with B, right? So we try to draw this. This is what we are getting, right? But they have given a mirror image of B. This is wrong. This is right. Fine. So try to solve this question on your own. So the timer starts now. So the final answer is 1. Oh, you see here, R, I, S, E. They have asked for water image. What is it? R, E, S, E. Yes. This is the correct answer. Fine. So thanks for attending. So you have all the lecture notes and the extra questions for this chapter in the description below. Please check it out. And please share this video to your friends, or if someone else is seeing it, please share it to students who are preparing for NTSE or NMMS competitive examination. Thank you.